The recommended solution is represented in format of a fishbone diagram. Each bone represents a category of components. Example, software, partner, subscription services, professional development, etc. A pop-up window allows the sellers to drill into details of the solution component. For example, Enterprise Mobility Suite. This was suggested because customer 1 is dealing with mobility related challenges for access and management. The seller can launch a detailed website giving all the details necessary for him to put together a solution. Similarly, let's explore why Azure Data Service was recommended. Customer 1 has unpredictable busting of workload. Workload is growing fast. They have a high lead time for any requisition for new components to be bought in their infrastructure. And currently, the discipline for managing data and the infrastructure is lacking. These combined reasons used by the solution rules in StarLite recommended Azure Data as one of the solution components. Azure Identity, the WAD, was recommended because currently the identities are ad hocly and self-managed. SharePoint was recommended because currently educators are overwhelmed, perhaps using SharePoint for class sites, project sites, um, and other apps will help educators relieve their burden. Similarly, for SharePoint as well, they can launch the link to access the details necessary to put the solution together. Let's look at the partner section. SI was recommended majorly because there is potential to work upon moving the infrastructure from premises to cloud. There is also potential to migrate the end of service Windows Server 2003 instances that currently exist with Customer 1. Let's look at the site, the website giving details for the potential partner engagement information. Interestingly, professional development. Microsoft Virtual Academy recommendation was made because the teacher and students at Customer 1 currently do not have access to quality Microsoft technology deep dive materials. The seller can also launch the MWay site from here. Last but not least, let's look at ITA. Again, there is very few or less certification that exist in Customer One's population of teachers and students. That's the reason, which is less than 50%. One of the recommended solutions to go back to the customer is to sell the ITA courses and certifications. Let's launch the ITA site as well. With this whole solution coming together, the seller has an idea of what components are relevant to customer at the current state. StarLite can be run for the same customer at the different times to compare the state they are in. In summary, StarLite is a pre-sale solutioning app. It is based on Q&A about the customer's current state. StarLite provides a bar graph showing the current state to best state gap, if any, and then provides the solution component listing, a sort of Proto-BOM in the fishbone diagram representation format. I would like to thank you for your time and attention. for going through this initial preview of StarLite. It is a Windows 8.1 app available in MS Windows Store, which uses Azure as its backend for its data and solution rules. Good luck and happy selling. Thank you.